previously what we have done in last class, u by v form inner function problems, right? Textbook. One by ax square plus bx plus c. To find the derivative of this one, first what we will do, first foremost step, then after this
Divide by x, 1 of x, divide by x, 1 by
now any one of you,
1 by x.
1 by x, very good. We have to think that 1 by whatever given, consider this to be x, derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by
x square.
whatever x we have treated, that square, into dy dx of whatever we have taken x, that we have to write. Got it? 1 by whatever is there, 1 by x. 1 by x is minus 1 by x square into derivative of inner function. Now this one, as it is minus 1 by ax square plus bx plus c, this having square into dy dx we are giving to everyone, dy dx of x square plus b into dy dx of x plus dy dx of c. Now minus 1 by ax square plus bx plus c whole square into a into 2x plus b into 1 plus 0. This is
F dash.
f dash of x. Okay. Let f of x equals to e power 2x into log of 3x plus 4. This is our question. What we need to do?
Differentiate.
Yes, differentiating both sides with respect to x. So d by dx on left side and d by dx on right side. What we find on right side?
Log x.
UV form.
Uniform.
This is u. This total thing is v.
V.
Okay. Once we have UV form, what we'll do? We'll write UV formula, then u derivative of v plus v derivative of v. That means d by dx of e power 2x. By seeing the question is having two multiples, we have to split them into the formula, or we have to use the formula of d by dx of u into v, u d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u. Now wherever we find d by dx, that we have to apply formulas and we have to simplify that. To apply this formula to this one, what we will do? D by dx of log
X.
considered x. Okay. Consider that to be inner function log of x, 1 by x. But things are not completed. Again we need to write d by dx of inner function. Got it? Previously d by dx of log x, 1 by x thing is over. But now because x is having some value, again that value should be differentiated. Plus will not write 1 by x to this one. Why?
Log.
Because no derivative is there. Here derivative is there for only this value. E power, consider this to be x. E power x derivative is e power x. Whatever considered, that again we need to write inner function. Now wherever d by dx is there, that we have to simplify. E power 2x on the e power 2x in bracket three outside d by dx of x plus d by dx of 4 plus log 3x plus 4 into e power 2x, 2 outside derivative of x. E power 2x by 3x plus 4 into bracket 3 into 1 plus 0 plus log of 3x plus 4 into e power 2x into 2 into 1. So this is f dash of x. Okay, if you want to simplify, you can write 3 into e power 2x and all. Let sometimes y also we can consider, so that f of x or y, anything you can take. Then what we'll write? Differentiating.
Both sides will affect 2x.
So d by dx of y equal to d by dx of into e power 2x. UE form. So not writing formula because u d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u. E power x derivative is e power x into here. See what we have done, e power x we have considered. So e power x derivative e power x, because we have considered that to be x, so we should write d by dx of 2x once again other than x. Here we have to differentiate first one plus differentiating second one. Bracket close. So brackets are most important part in this one. 4 plus x square e power 2x into 2 outside, derivative of x is 1 plus e power 2x, 4 is 0, x square derivative is 2 into x power 2 minus 1. This is dy by dx. What we will consider? E power x square. Next step, differentiating both sides. Which form? UV form. So u derivative of v plus v derivative of v a power x. Okay. Now a power x into here again. E power x is not there. E power x in place of x square is considered to be x. So e power x derivative is e power x. Still what we have to do?
D by
dx of x square plus e power x square into here a power x is formula.
log
A power x log. Now a power x e power x square derivative of x square is how do you do? X power n is n into x power n minus 1, then e power x square a power x log. This is f dash of x. after doing this, again I'll have some questions from 9A exercise. In important and interesting unit. What we have is find the derivative of cot power ns. Now I'll ask any one of you after while doing this problem. Let f of x I'll write or y I'll take. Cot power nx, differentiating both sides with respect to x. So d by dx on left side, d by dx on right side. Immediately what we have to think by seeing this question, derivative of cot will not do. What we'll think, whenever it has power, we have to think this is x. Okay, this is considered x. In our mind, think that this is x power n. So what is the formula for x power n? N into x power. Here you can write power n minus 1. Or those who are interested, they can write bracket and write n minus 1. In your mind, you have to think that this is like that, whole power n. X power n is n into x power n minus 1 into whatever we have treated as x, that we should write once again. Now derivative of cot x. D by dx of cot x yourself.
Minus cosecant
Sit. N into cot power n minus 1x. Derivative of cot x is in bracket you should write minus cosecant square x minus n into cot power n minus 1x into cosecant square x. This is derivative of cosecant cot power n. So what we'll do, let y is equals to cosecant power 4, you can write in this way also. Now differentiating both sides. What is the next step? Now x power n. This is x power n. So 4 into no 4 into cosecant x power 4 minus n into previously what we have to do, whenever question is given it has power, so consider this to be x and take power as n into x power n minus 1 into d by dx of x. So this one becomes 4 into cosecant x cube into derivative of cosecant x in bracket, so that this minus sign we can write before the number, minus 4 cosecant power 4x into cot x. Cosecant power 1, cosecant power 3 is cosecant power 4. This is y dash. Let y equals to tan e power x. Now what are we have to do? Same thing. Both sides with respect to x, d by dx of y, d by dx of tan of e power x. Uniform or single term? Single term. See, tan x and e power x means this is uniform. Tan of e power x means tan x is e power x as it is. So that is not uniform, single term. Its x is not there. Don't think that this is u and this is v. If x is there for tan and this value is separate, then we have to think separate value. This is tan of x. Tan x derivative is secant square x. What we have thought as x? That value is e power x. So secant square x into e power x value is e power x. This is y dash. Got it? Sin power mx or sin mx is given? Sin power mx and cos power mx. So what we do, differentiating both sides. So d by dx to first one, d by dx to the second one. Powers are there, so you should write in power only. Now which form? UV form. First distribute that in UV form. U d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u. This will be sin power mx. Now this is our question. First question, cot power n, same type. X power n. This is x whole power n. Don't write derivative of cos. I am not writing derivative of cos as sin power n. I am writing that way or not? No. Why? Yes, it has power, so this becomes x now. Considered x value is this. X power n is n into x power n minus 1 into d by dx of what we have thought as x, that we should write. Here also this is x power m. M into sin x power m minus 1 into
d by dx.
m or n both are one and the same. Sin power mx into n into cos power n minus 1x into cos x, derivative is minus sin x, then cos power nx into n into sin power n minus 1x into derivative of sin is cos x. This is the value for y dash. Okay. Now once again I am writing this question, or this is different one?
Different one.
Why this is different?
M power n.
Yes, we don't have powers here. Mx as angle they have given. Still what we have to do, differentiating both sides, d by dx of this one. UV form, same thing, this is u and this is v. Write angle in bracket. U. Derivative of v plus v derivative of u. Sin mx into derivative of cos, this is x now, considered x value. Derivative of cos x is in bracket minus sin x, because x is not there. Instead of x we have nx. Again you should write that nx. Here cos nx, derivative of sin, this is x, cos x into
mx.
now sin mx, this minus sign multiplies, comes here into sin nx. Don't write sin square because the angles is different, so as it is. N outside, d by dx of x plus cos nx into cos mx into m outside, d by dx of x, because multiple is there now, multiple is taken out, minus sin mx n into 1 cos nx cos mx n into 1. This is y dash. One minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. So first you need to remember, whenever you find 1 minus cos 2x, remember to write 2 sin square x, and 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x in trigonometry. If you have not learned this one, learn for this problem. In this problem, when you find 1 minus cos 2x, what we have to write? 2 sin square x, and 1 plus cos 2x is cos square x. So sin square by cos square, sin by cos is what? Yes, sin x by cos x is tan x. If it has square, it is also having square root. So y becomes tan square x. So by seeing 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x, what we have done? 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x, 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. Both will divide and now this is our question, y is equals to tan square x. What we have to write now? Differentiating both sides. So dy by dx of y equal to dy by dx of, so this is y dash tan square. This is x whole power n.
Yes.
N into x power n minus 1 into d by dx. So what is x here? Tan x. Square we have already done. Now 2 into tan x derivative is secant square. This is y dash. Okay.